changing the language.
Okay, so Wyatt has somehow figured out how to change the language on his Roomba, and today he's going to show you how to do it. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so tell everybody what you're doing.
So you turn it off and you just hold it down until the light comes on.
English.
So it's in English. What language are you going to put it in?
I don't know.
Français. Deutsch. Español.
Then you hold it down, then you turn it on, press 2 times, and
Error 6. Mueva Roomba a otro lugar. Después pulse clic para reiniciarlo.
Is that in Spanish?
I don't know.
Para obtener ayuda.
All right. So it's in a different language. Now, how do you get it back to English?
So turn it off, hold it down,
Español. Italiano. Nederlands. Duits. Svenska. Norsk. Chongwen. Polski. Español. Portuguese. Nihongo. Chongwen. English. Suomi.
You just skipped English. It has a lot of languages on there.
Portuguese. Ivrit. English.
There we go. Now hold it down.
Error 6.
And it's back to English. All right, good job, buddy.
Please open the iRobot home app for help.